The Galaxy S25 series is poised to redefine Samsung's flagship smartphone lineup with remarkable hardware upgrades ahead of its anticipated launch at the next Unpacked event on January 22nd. Thanks to numerous leaks, we now have a clearer understanding of what to expect from Samsung's latest flagship devices. Notably, the base Galaxy S25 model is receiving a significant boost in features, ensuring it stands out like never before. One of the most exciting updates comes from renowned tipster Aisha, who revealed that Samsung is making notable strides in memory and storage. According to Aisha, the Galaxy S25 will eliminate the 8GB RAM variant entirely, introducing a base configuration with 12GB of RAM. This upgrade is a major leap from its predecessor and aligns the standard Galaxy S25 with the S25 Plus model, which also features 12GB of RAM as its baseline configuration. Beyond the RAM improvement, Samsung is also doubling the base storage across the Galaxy S25 lineup. Gone are the days of starting with 128GB of storage. Every model in the S25 series will now reportedly offer a minimum of 256GB. This change means users will enjoy significantly more space for apps, photos, videos, and files without immediately needing cloud storage or external microSD cards. The Galaxy S25 base model, with its standard 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, represents a bold move that highlights Samsung's commitment to delivering competitive flagship devices even at the entry level. These enhancements carry substantial benefits for users. First, the increased RAM ensures smoother multitasking and improved overall performance. This is particularly critical as modern smartphones integrate resource-intensive AI-driven features, which demand substantial RAM capacity. For example, RAM determines how many apps your device can keep open in the background and how quickly it can switch between tasks. It also plays a crucial role in executing complex AI models directly on the device. Features such as real-time image processing, predictive text, and on-device language understanding rely on both powerful processors and sufficient RAM to function seamlessly. While the Galaxy S25 series is rumored to run exclusively on Qualcomm's advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a cutting-edge processor alone isn't enough to deliver a flawless user experience. The inclusion of 12GB of RAM ensures the base Galaxy S25 can manage resource-heavy AI tasks with ease, keeping pace with premium competitors like Google's Pixel 9 Pro, which features 16GB of RAM for its advanced AI capabilities. As AI-powered apps and services become mainstream, smartphones lacking robust hardware risk falling behind, a pitfall Samsung is clearly determined to avoid. With the countdown to January 22nd underway, the Galaxy S25 series is already generating excitement. Samsung's strategic upgrades ensure the device is not only future-proof but also highly appealing to AI enthusiasts, power users, and anyone seeking a reliable, cutting-edge smartphone. As more details emerge, anticipation continues to build. Samsung appears ready to set a new standard in the flagship market, and we can't wait to see what the Galaxy S25 series has in store. Stay tuned for more updates.